A single three-digit number can decide whether you get a house, a car, or end up paying thousands more in interest. And most Americans are accidentally destroying it without even realizing. In fact, lenders use credit scores to approve over $14 trillion in loans every year in the United States. That number is your credit score. And if you don't understand how it works, you're already behind. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step roadmap to building an 850 credit score, the highest score possible. But first, you need to understand why most people never reach 800. Let's break it down. Your credit score is a number between 300 and 850. It's calculated by the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and it tells every lender in America how risky it is to give you money. Here's how the ranges break down. 300 to 579 is considered poor. Many lenders will reject you outright. 580 to 669 is fair. You'll get approved, but with painful interest rates. 670 to 739 is good, decent rates, and most lenders will work with you. 740 to 799 is very good. You're getting better deals than most Americans. 800 to 850 is exceptional. This is where the best rates, the best approvals, and the best financial opportunities live. And that 800-plus zone is exactly where we're taking you today. Your credit score isn't random. It's built from exactly 5 factors. Think of it like a recipe. Get the ingredients right, and 850 is the result. The first factor is payment history. This makes up 35% of your score, the biggest slice by far. One missed payment can drop your score by 60 to 110 points. The higher your score, the harder the fall. And lenders don't report late payments until you're at least 30 days past due, so act fast if you miss one. This single factor alone can make or break everything else you do. The second factor is credit utilization. This accounts for 30% of your score. This is the percentage of your available credit that you're actually using. For example, someone with a $5,000 credit limit carrying a $4,000 balance looks extremely risky to lenders, even if they pay on time every single month. The golden rule is to keep your utilization below 10% for an exceptional score. The third factor is length of credit history. This makes up 15% of your score. The longer your accounts have been open, the better. This is why closing old credit cards, even ones you never use, can quietly hurt your score. The fourth factor is credit mix. This accounts for 10% of your score. Lenders like to see that you can handle different types of credit cards, auto loans, and mortgages. You don't need all of them, but variety signals reliability. The fifth factor is new credit inquiries. This also makes up 10% of your score. Every time you apply for new credit, lenders run a hard inquiry. Too many inquiries in a short period signals higher risk to lenders, and your score drops fast. Now here's the good news. You can control almost every single one of these factors. Here are the 5 moves you need to make starting today. Step 1. Never miss a payment. Ever. Set up autopay for the minimum payment on every account today. You don't have to pay the full balance every month, but you must never miss the minimum. One 30-day late payment can erase months of progress instantly. Autopay is free insurance. Use it. Step 2. Slash your utilization below 10%. This is the fastest lever you can pull to raise your score quickly. If you have a $5,000 credit limit, keep your balance under $500. There are 2 ways to do this. You can pay down your balance, or you can call your bank and request a credit limit increase. A higher limit with the same spending instantly lowers your utilization percentage without paying a single extra dollar. Step 3. Keep your old accounts open. That credit card you got years ago and never use? Keep it open. Closing it shortens your credit history and reduces your available credit, and both of those hurt your score. If the card charges an annual fee you don't like, call your bank and ask to downgrade it to a no-fee version. Problem solved. Bonus move. Ask a family member or trusted friend with excellent credit to add you as an authorized user on their oldest card. You don't even need to use it. Their positive history gets attached to your file immediately. One of the fastest, legitimate ways to build credit from scratch. Step 4. Apply for new credit sparingly. Every hard inquiry drops your score by about 5 to 10 points temporarily. 5 applications in 6 months can add up to serious damage. Only apply for new credit when you genuinely need it. There is one exception. If you're rate shopping for a mortgage or a car loan, do it within a 45-day window. FICO's most widely used scoring models group all those inquiries into one. Step 5. Check your credit report for errors. This is the most overlooked step, and it could be costing you right now. Errors on credit reports are more common than most people think, and they can silently drag your score down by 50 to 100 points. You're entitled to a free report from all 3 bureaus every single week at annualcreditreport.com. That's not a typo. Weekly access is now permanent. Check it. And if you find an error, dispute it directly with the credit bureau. They are legally required to investigate within 30 days. Now, the question everyone asks is, how long does this actually take? In 30 days, lowering your utilization could boost your score by 20 to 40 points almost immediately. In 6 months, consistent on-time payments begin building a stronger credit history. In 1 year, if you started in the fair range, you could be sitting in very good territory. And in about 2 years, with all 5 factors working together, an 800-plus credit score is within reach. Results vary based on where you start, but this is the proven path. Credit scores don't change overnight, but every right move stacks on the last one. Every month you stay consistent is a month of compounding progress, just like investing. Let's recap the 5 steps. Autopay every account and never miss a payment. Keep your credit utilization below 10%. Keep your old accounts open. Limit hard inquiries. And check your credit report weekly for errors at annualcreditreport.com. That's it. No tricks. No loopholes. Just 5 fundamentals that the top credit holders in America follow consistently. If you want to master money in America, subscribe. Every week, we break down the financial system into simple strategies anyone can use. No finance degree required. Next week, we are covering how AI is quietly managing money for millions of Americans in 2026, and exactly how you can use it to grow your wealth before everyone else figures it out. Remember, that 3-digit number controls your financial future. Start fixing it today. I'll see you in the next one.